A month ago we did St Aidens at Fourstones in Northumberland, which was a mission church, and funnily enough we found another one here on the northeast coast. This is St Mary's, Embleton, or Newton by the Sea, not far from Bamborough. Originally it was a mission room, built around 1870, and parish records show that there was evening service from the late 1890s until 1902, when it was given permission to hold Holy Communion and baptisms, and later on it was extended to become the Newton-on-Sea Mission Church, and it's right beside an English Heritage Site, although this is not part of English Heritage, and it's a nice place to visit on the summer for a walk. So let's have a look inside this interesting mission church, which does show quite a nice framed stained glass window at the front. Here we go into the porchway and to these nice crucifix doors. Inside we see this wood panelling and some clear windows here, and the stained glass window here at the back. Some old photographs and a little bit of a kitchen for the parishioners. Lights. And looking up the nave towards an altar which has a nice embroidery. We see the nice wooded area outside. And this is an American organ which was purchased in the 1930s. This is an interesting embroidery. And here's a nice red rust embroidery and an interesting octagonal window. Another piece of stone glass dedicated to a local parishioner who died recently and spent a lot of money maintaining the church. We see a nice wooden crossbeam roof supporting this corrugated iron outside. Embroidery done in 1988, so the light of the world. And again, looking down in there, we see the wooden pews. Very pretty inside. And there's a baptismal font. And there's been actually quite a few baptisms there. First being in 1912, and the most recent one being in 2017. So the church is still doing well and still active. The church design is very similar to the Picturesque Church in Kirriemuir and Scotland, and another Scottish churches, mainly the former Free Church, by these due to the fact that they have their octagonal windows at the rear. So we can assume this church kit was built by the Speirs Company of Glasgow, as it's probably the nearest, as one of the other main ones pretty much in London. But as I say, all the wooden pews, and apparently it's still a good congregation here on a Sunday, which is nice to know. And of course you can get the charity to help out. Has information boards and pictures all the way around. It's in a nice area, well worth a visit. So if you're interested, please like, subscribe and continue to watch for some more interesting churches we end up finding. Bye for now.